Hello everyone and welcome back to today's video. I have some kind of job to be done, as you can see. So there's this guy in Germany that has sent some people these four kinds of photos, and then they said to to like fix some things in Photoshop. So as you can see, we have four pictures right here. And then I have to send it here, and then my father's gonna just send it to this German guy. And if I do this, I'm going to get some money, which means I'm also be earning money as well. So let's just see. We also have the instructions. So if I do this guy's task, I get dollar bills and the US dollar bills. So let's just get started with today's video. This is basically the instructions, so let's just read it.
Hey there, so there are four photos with easy Photoshop tasks.
Okay.
So for the first one, can you please remove this chain here, the long one, with this big bead. This silver pendant can stay.
Okay. That's the first one.
And for this one, yeah, it's too much pendant. Can you remove both these? So these two necklaces, can you please remove them? And
So you are telling me to remove these both necklaces? Okay.
the shirt a bit higher, like this maybe, or even like this. Yeah, like this would be good. So if possible, I actually do have green eyes, so the quality is not good here. And if you can please make them green, it should be natural, it shouldn't be some artificial crazy implants again.
So we're going to do the second one, as you can see. So I'm going to be downloading this, as you can see. Now let's see all here. And yeah, there it is. And yeah, let's just call this JPG. Okay. Let's now save this, because okay, now we are downloading this file to work with his instructions. And after we're done, and boom, here we go, guys. Now we have the entire image. So what the instructions is saying is that I have to remove these two chains and also make his t-shirt a little bit higher like this. And he also said to make his eyes a little bit more greener, as you can see. So now we have this, and let's get to work. So the first thing that I'm going to be doing is to, of course, remove the necklaces, the two necklaces. So I'm going to be going to my lasso tool. Yes, a lasso tool. Let's select all of this necklace. Let's see. So alright, that should be good. Now I'm gonna edit content aware fill. Okay. And it should look like that. Okay. This does not look anything like it. This is yeah, we need to do a little bit more work on that. Color adaptation, let's do very high and see what happens. Oh, okay, good. Yes, this will be the current layer, and yep, I think we're good. And yeah, that does not look good at all. We are definitely not done yet with this. It looks like the entire necklace is inside his neck, which is weird, or his chest, you can say. So I'm going to be selecting this again. Edit and content aware fill. Okay, let's go to very high, because we want this to be blended in smoothly. What about high? And yeah, very high could do it. Okay, okay, it's looking like it's not that bad actually. Let's just do like one last content aware on over here, and another one right here. Let's select all this. Content aware fill. It's a little bit blander. Yeah, that's good. And then one little spot right here. So yeah. Alright. This should be looking pretty good. This little weird block is weird. Let's also content aware this. Okay. And it looks like we are done with this. Okay. So, okay, this is not going to be good. Edit. Content aware. By the way, here's a little tip for you guys that when you are using smart object, yes. So when you're using when you convert to smart object, you can actually do content aware fill. So make sure to remember that. And now it should be pretty good if I do say so myself. So now we have the two chains have vanished using this powerful tool. Not that powerful tool. Next, the German guy said that I need to extend his t-shirt a little bit higher. And I think I have an idea for this, so I'm going to go to the quick selection tool. I'm going to make sure it is 65. I guess it's not that big. Let's make an entire selection on his t-shirt. Actually, a little bit lower. Okay, that should be pretty good. Yeah, see, these portions I need to also get, or else various problems might occur. Okay, these make sure I get every bit of this t-shirt that this guy is wearing. And by the way, this guy might be the German guy that probably did this. I'm not sure actually. Let's wait. These I cannot. Gotta make sure. No. Okay, good. I think that's pretty good for now on. Let's select modify and let's just smooth it out a little bit. So let's go 5 pixels. Now it's just more smoothish, and I think we are good to go. So now we're going to click on Control J to make another duplicate of this, and as you can see, I've selected all his shirt. And now my idea is make sure that this is front, and now I'm just gonna make it bigger, as you can see. And then you might be wondering, Zemi, why are you making the shirt bigger? You're just making it worse. Well, I'm going to be doing something very interesting, so stay tuned for that. I just need to make sure. He told me to make his shirt a little bit higher, so like here. This is a shirt. Let's make it like here. Let's do a little bit of warp, okay? Let's do a little bit of warp before we do anything wrong with it. And by the way, this is not what I wanted to show you guys. Just stay tuned to what I'm going to do. Okay, I think that should be pretty good. So now I'm done with this. Now what I'm going to do is going to be making a new layer. Wait, what is this even? A mask? I don't know. So I'm gonna click on this, I don't know, Japanese kind of logo. Flag. So now I'm going to click on Control I by selecting this. And as you can see, it has completely vanished. Now I'm going to go to the brush tool. Make sure that the foreground color is black. And then let's also make this pretty big. And now we paint. Actually, I did not do it correctly. Make sure that your foreground color is white. And now let's paint. Oh, let's make it a little bit bigger. Alright. And don't worry guys, if you make some mistake, you can just change it to black, and then you can just erase the excess that you have done. Alright. It is looking so much better than before. That looks pretty good. Well, let's change it back to black and just start getting all these edges. Okay, so I think this should be pretty good. Let's do it there, a little bit there. And yep, I think that is pretty good for me. Let's do a little bit of more of a warp before we're finished. Yep, that's good. And yeah, that is looking so much bigger than before, as you can see. Let's see. Oh, yep. It has been definitely bigger. You can see by that the difference. And now the last part is that he also said to make his eyes, this guy's eyes, to be a little more greener because he did not like the quality. So I'm going to be selecting this. Let's select his eyes, his eyeballs. Let's make sure it's a little bit smaller. We're not gonna get his pupils though, just the green part of his eyes. And by the way guys, if you are enjoying all of these kinds of videos, then make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I'm going to be doing way more stuff than this. So now that, let's just boop and boop. Now I think I have one of the ideas to making this guy's, but before we do anything, let's just make this a little bit smoother. Yeah, that's better. So I think I have an idea. Let's go to here and then go to solid color, and then I'll make his pure green, like not kind of hazel, but over here. Yeah. And if you see in my last video, I also showed you guys how to make anyone's skin lighter or darker. And by following that, I can now make his a little bit greener, as you can see. And wow, it is like pure hazel, as you can see. Let's go like over here. I think that'll be good. And yeah, that is basically it. So now we have all of these done. So this is the before, but the change, of course. This is after using the making his eyes a little bit brighter, as you can see. And then the shirt. And then the t-shirt, as you can see, it has, wow, you can't even tell the difference, which is the best part. And yeah, I think we're pretty much done with this, so let's just go to File, Export as PNG. And let's just call this final .png. Okay, and it looks like we're done with our task. So thank you so much. No, actually not yet. Let's see. So this is the before, this is the after. No, this is the before, this is the after. So this is the PNG file. And I think we are done for now. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you want to see some more Photoshop tutorials like these, man, I always have so much fun making these kinds of videos. Please put a comment below, subscribe, and click the notification bell. And now, bye, and see you in the next Photoshop video, maybe. So, bye.